Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into something truly special, making delicious snails. Yes, you heard that right. Delicious snails, okay? Snails are eatable and also incredibly tasty. They are beyond the delicacy of the west coast of Africa, particularly countries like Sierra Leone. So guys, I am so excited to share with you guys step to step how I prepare this flavorful little treat, okay? A big shout out to all my new subscribers. I appreciate you guys. And to my loyal long-time subscribers, thank you guys for your support. And if this is your first time clicking on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification button so that you can be the first person to see my videos when I release one. And you can be on my foodies family, okay? And stay tuned. I'll show you step to step. Look at that. Okay guys, so let's go to the next step. Okay guys, so I have some dry snails, and dry snails you're supposed to soak them overnight before you use them, okay? So keep that in mind. I totally forgot. Okay, so I'm using lime, salt and vinegar to wash the snails, okay? And just keep in mind, if you purchase the fresh one, you also use vinegar, salt and lime. And you know the fresh ones are very slippery, so you have to make sure you remove all the slipperiness from them, okay? And they have this thing called alum. You can use that to clean up your snails, especially the fresh ones, okay? So these ones are dry, so I'm still going to wash them with vinegar, salt and lime. Just remember to soak them overnight before you use them, the dry ones. Okay guys, so I'm going to boil my snail. I'm just going to add water and salt, and if you want to add any seasoning while you boiling them, you can do so as well, okay? So I'm just going to boil this and let it boil, and after that I'm going to cut my veggies, okay guys, so I'm going to use some bell pepper, yellow onion, red onions, tomatoes, habanero pepper, garlic, green onions, and some peppermint leaves, okay? I'm not going to blend them. I'm just going to just remove the seeds from them, and just I'm going to wash them and slice them into little pieces. I'm not going to blend them in my blender. If you want to do that, it's okay. You can also blend everything together, okay? But for me, I'm going to just wash them and cut them into little pieces, okay? Say what you want to say to me now. I want to wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. Okay guys, so after 30 minutes this is ready. I'm just going to remove them from the water and set them aside, and after that I'm going to add some oil into my pot. I'm using olive oil. You can use any kind of oil of your choice, and I'm going to let this oil preheat before I add the veggies into the pot, okay? And after this I'm going to add some seasonings, and I will list all the seasonings I'm using on my description box below, okay? Okay guys, so after adding all my seasoning, I'm just going to mix this together, and then I'm going to cover this. I will let it cook. Okay guys, so let's check these veggies to make sure they are not getting burned. And so I'm just going to mix this again, and after mixing this I'm going to add the snail into the pot. And after adding the snails into the pot, I'm just going to mix everything together so everything can be incorporated, okay? And after mixing everything, I'm just going to cover them again so that they can get cooked well. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna Okay, guys, so I'm back. I'm just going to make sure this is not getting burned, okay? And I will just mix this together. And look at that. Okay, guys, so this is, I don't know, the aroma in this room is incredible, okay? It makes you want to eat this food right now, okay? But anyway, so I'm just going to check it out, and just to make sure everything is good, if I have to add any seasoning or any subtraction. But anyway, there's no addition or subtraction, okay? I'm gonna let this cook again. Okay, look at that. Okay, guys, I'll be right back. I'm just going to cover this again and let it cook. Okay, guys, so let's check this out. Let's see. Okay, this is ready. This is done. This is finished. So I'm just removing all the excess oil into the pot. And look at my pot. My pot is burned, but it's okay. I'll wash it off anyway. Okay, so this is done. This is ready to eat. So guys, you can eat this just like this, okay? Or you can eat it with boiled plantain, boiled yam, boiled cassava, and even with bread. So you can eat this with bread in the morning as a breakfast. Yes, yes. You can eat it with bread, with breakfast and tea in the morning. Okay. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, any comments, and please let me know, how do you make your snail? Okay, drop that comment below. Okay, see you on the next video. Thank you guys, love you, bye bye.
Wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. But you and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with